you can see, the day is just beginning here at the factory. I'm excited to take you inside and show you the secret to our authentic pasta.
From the fields behind me to the plates on your table, we're tracing the incredible journey of how wheat becomes spaghetti.
When assessing the quality, we separate the kernels and feel the texture. Now, compare this robust sample to this one here. For generations, the process remained unchanged. Now, this flour mill represents both the past and the future of industrial agriculture.
Let's move inside. Behind me is where the dough mixing happens. We use these large industrial mixers to ensure perfect consistency every time. To ensure the highest quality pasta, the semolina must have this exact golden hue and coarse texture.
Is where the magic happens. Under thousands of pounds of pressure, the molecular structure of the dough is realigned.
process begin here, where the fresh dough is precisely rolled and flattened before it moves down the line to the ovens. We have achieved the perfect consistency for our pasta dough. Now, if you'll follow me over here to the extruder, we can start making some magic. The input hopper clearly labeled dough input. Lot A14.
And here we have the heart of the operation. These massive extruders are moments away from going live. The scale here is incredible. Understanding the rheology of the dough is key. The extrusion pressure dictates the final texture and consistency you see right here.
Quality Control Lab, we utilize this system to ensure the precise diameter of our spaghetti, guaranteeing perfect consistency every time.
Drying is essential. It allows the pasta to develop its complex flavors and ensures that perfect al dente texture when you cook it at home.
This brings us to the drying phase. This unit is the largest in the facility, capable of processing up to 500 kilograms per hour.
The key to successful preservation lies in slow dehydration. This chamber meticulously controls the process, maintaining molecular structure.
After extrusion, the product arrives here in the drying bay. The pre-drying steps are critical, using these massive conveyor systems. Benefit of slow drying is how it treats your clothes. It minimizes wear and tear and significantly reduces your energy bill. Automated racks ensure a consistent drying process, moving over 500 pounds of fabric per hour through the climate-controlled hall.
This is the critical cooling and stabilization stage. As you can see, the robotic arm free
The color consistency is excellent. We have a perfect match with the golden standard. These are cooled and ready for the line. Confirmed.
Moving to section 3.
To ensure peak efficiency, we monitor these cooling racks 24/7. The green indicators confirm that all systems have passed the latest quality checks.
Wait, check row 4. We're short 2 units for the packaging line.
I grabbed them already. They're on the top shelf. With the successful completion of testing, we are now ready to begin the packaging phase for the new product line.
After the drying process, we move directly into our stringent QC phase. As you can see, every product is inspected before moving down the line for packing.
packaging phase. As you can see behind me, the automated systems ensure efficiency as the products move along these conveyor belts.
Test for durability and seal integrity.
As you can see with this blister pack,
The seal is flawless, protecting the contents completely.
We take great pride in our meticulous quality control process. Once the items are securely packaged, they proceed down